Welcome to this 1-minute breakdown. When we decided to create our YouTube channel and video series, I realized pretty quickly that a process where we would have to work with a professional videographer and editor wouldn't be efficient. Due to coordinating the shoots and the back and forth on the video editing, it would take too much time and money. I wanted something I could do myself. So here's a quick overview of our process. First, we write a short script. Second, we purchase some equipment, a lighting kit, a microphone, and because I have a hard time remembering what to say, I got a teleprompter and teleprompter software for my iPad. For the video camera, we use an iPhone. I can set up and shoot a script in about 1 hour. Then we go into iMovie on the Mac and edit the video and add the graphics, which are produced in Photoshop. In all, from start to finish, it takes about 3 hours for a video like this. We can then publish that video on our YouTube channel, website, and promote it on social media. We now have over 100 videos and 50,000 views.